Hi everyone, Paul here. So welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show a quick tip on how to launch Visual Studio Code from the terminal. So we're going to use Symbolic Link, which is like a shortcut, but it's more powerful because it allows you to launch applications from the terminal. We could also do the same steps using Path, but the downside of Path is it kind of clutters up your paths and your bash profile when you keep adding paths to your for applications that you want. So instead we're gonna use symbolic links. To get started, first you need to get the path. So open your applications, click the open finder, and let's go to Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code, I want to right click and click on show package contents, click on contents and click on resources and then app and then bin, and here you would find the executable which is named code. So if I go to my terminal first and quickly show you by typing code, it would say code not found. So from your finder, right click and hold the option key, and this would transform to copy code as path name. And from here, you simply create a symbolic link. So you say sudo link as, put in the path to your code, and you want to create the symbolic link in the user local bin and give it name code. Cool. So when I type code now, you should open up Visual Studio Code. Cool. And if I want to add another application, for example, I also have Sublime Text as an editor here. So if I want to add Sublime Text, I could do the same thing. So Sublime content. Getting to the executable could be a little bit of exploration. So for Sublime, it's under SharedSupport and then bin. So do the same thing, right click, hold down the option key and say sudo link and put that in there, and user local bin and type Sublime. And I typed the path wrong. Cool. So if I do Sublime now, it should open up the editor. So that's a quick and easy tip. If you like these tips, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cheers, bye for now.